Welcome to Death Valley National Park. Death Valley National Park, situated in eastern California and parts of Nevada, stands as a mesmerizing testament to extremes in nature. Known for its scorching temperatures, it holds the title of the hottest place on Earth, with vast salt flats and rolling dunes, contributing to its unique and stark beauty. Badwater Basin is the lowest point in North America, showcasing expansive salt flats surrounded by the Black Mountains and the Panamint Range. Artist's Palette, with its vivid mineral deposits, paints the mountains in breathtaking colors, while the Mesquite Flat sand dunes provide a serene expanse for photographers and adventurers. Unique wildlife, including kit foxes, bighorn sheep, and desert tortoises, have adapted to the harsh conditions. Springtime, super blooms, transform the desert floor into a carpet of wildflowers, creating a surreal burst of color. The park is also an international dark sky park, which attracts stargazers with its unparalleled views of the cosmos. Camping under the vast desert sky, with its celestial display at night, completes the immersive experience in this land of elemental majesty. Death Valley National Park's extremes and ethereal landscapes are a captivating canvas for adventurers.